Hi honeys, it's Michelle. I'm here today to do a Dollar Tree haul. I saw this when I walked in the door and I just had to have it. I just thought it was pretty. I'm not usually too into 4th of July decor, but I just thought this was really pretty. So, why not, right? Here's how it looks on the back. So it's kind of that thick cardboard. Now, as I've talked about a few times, I am putting care packages together, a bunch of different ones, and it takes me a long time to put them together because I don't have the biggest budget, so I just do a little here and a little there. But it works really well because it gives me a chance to provide content to show you of what you can find at the Dollar Tree while also giving back to the community. So what I found these cute little sticker story mega sets. It's got a coloring book in it and 80 stickers. So if you look at the back here, it's got 6 pages in the little book, or background scenes as they call them, and then 80 color form stickers over here. That sounds fun, right? I don't know if it's just me. Like I've mentioned before, I need all the help I can get on what to get for kids because I don't have kids. I'm kind of out of touch with that. But I do know kids love stickers. I know I did as a kid, and it seems like kids still do today. So then I also found this one. This one is a Disney Junior one. This one has 81 color forms and 2 double-sided play boards with 6 background scenes. I think that'll be really fun for kids. I'm working on 2 kind of younger kid bags that I want to do. So I got some of these Carnival Insta Pops. I actually have the smaller ones that come on like a lollipop, like the small ones, and I think they're really good. So I thought, well, since I know these are good, I'll go ahead and get these for the bags. And that's it for the kids for today. I also got a Sudoku puzzle, and here's how it looks inside. I got this one for myself, and then I also got another Sudoku and a crossword, and I'm going to put these in the care packages for the moms or the women at the shelter. I've got 5 different care packages for the women in the shelter that I'm putting together. So I will be needing to get 3 more of these eventually, but I thought, just get started with 2 and see how that goes. I got this brightening cucumber peel off mask. I got this for you, Mom, in case you're watching. I know you're probably watching, but got that for you. And then I got another one of these for my next viewer giveaway. I have this thing where I just love fans, especially in the spring and summer, and they have the best fans at the Dollar Tree. So I got 2 of them. I got this one, which is so pretty. Oh, and it works so well. I love these. They are the best. And then I got this one, which is so pretty. I'm trying to decide if I want to keep this or not. I know somebody who would probably like it. I don't know if they'd like it though. Knowing me, I'll just keep it because I love fans so much, but it's so pretty. This almost looks like one you could put on a wall in a room to kind of, like in a bathroom or something. I got this. It's a candle holder, and I just thought it was really pretty. I've got a certain spot in my living room where I've been wanting to put tea light or votive candles, but I actually don't have any votive or tea light candle holders. I don't though. And I thought this was really pretty. So that's what that's for. I think it's going to light up really nice. And they've got these new, well, that was new, but so are these. These are these little candles. These are Dollar Tree candles. This one says salted butter toffee, and it looks like that milk glass. I mean, it's obviously it's not, but it looks like it. And I just love the look of it so much. I'm just going to burn it, and whether I like the candle or not, I'm going to keep the candle holder part and start burning tea lights in there. So I'm going to put that in my bathroom. And then I found this one. It says white mocha. This one smells okay, but I like the white one more. It smells really good. This one's clear, and it's kind of a little light mauve color. And I just thought that was really pretty as well. And this one is going to go back here. So I can light this one now and show you what it looks like. And these are Dollar Tree brand, by the way. So here's what that looks like lit up. Put it right here. The other candle that I had there was also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm not sure what happened, but I had them lit, and when I blew them out, somehow the wick on it ended up sideways in the wax, and I thought, well, there's no fixing that. So my favorite flowers are daisies, and I found this daisy grow kit. I thought, you know, that could be so fun. A nice way to just kind of get in the mood for spring and summer. It says it includes pot, seeds, growing medium, and instructions. Is it going to work? I don't know, but it was $1. I figure why not try it? But this is actually a name brand product by Buzzy, made in Pottsville, PA. I saw these. I wanted to give them a try. They're the Assured brand high heel insoles. They feel really nice. Silky insoles comfort and cushion your feet. Fits all types of shoes. Well, why does it say high heels on it then? They have this shape for high heels, but I'm going to be using them for wedges personally, just to see how it works. And I'll let you know in a future review video what I thought of them. Got another thing of my favorite trash bags. These ones were vanilla. I don't even care what scent they are. It's just whichever one has the 10 bags in it is what I get. I found these bags. I wanted to use these for the giveaways, but also for the care packages that I'm putting together. I thought these were so pretty. I love stars. And then I got this to tie it with on the top. I thought that'd be cute. Have the little curls on there. I just, there's something so festive about the curls that this ribbon does. So that's what that's for. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I was obsessed with the lip oil that the Dollar Tree came out with around Valentine's Day. I bought as much of it as I could, and then I started worrying about what am I going to do when my stash runs out. Well, somebody on here mentioned, you probably know who you are if it was you, but that's actually LA Colors brand. And I thought, oh my gosh, is it really? And I looked, and it is LA Colors brand. It only says it on the back in like really small writing, but it is LA Colors. And so I decided to go ahead and give LA Colors a try. This is, it looks exactly the same, really. The applicator and the container are the same. They just designed it a little bit differently on here. But this one is grape scent. I'm excited to try it. And the last thing that I got is some of my favorite candy, which is Mambas. I love Mambas, especially these Tropics ones. I just think they're really good. And that's everything that I got today. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you have had a chance to... Let me know if you've had a chance to try any of these products. Let me know what your favorite item was. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. I love you. Bye.